Hey everyone, my name is Deja. Welcome to my channel that is based on DIY projects about planning, organizing, cooking, and home decor while saving you more money. Also, if you are new, welcome. And if you would like to join my channel, just hit that red subscribe button and also hit notification bell.
Hey everyone, so I'm back. I know it's been a while. I'm so sorry. It's just I had to break and I just had to just really chill, relax, take some me time for myself. And I also thought about what I really truly want to talk about for 2021. Yes, we're here. We made it. I made it, you made it, just everybody made it, and that is so awesome to me. And I'm so happy and proud of every single one of you guys, just knowing that you survived everything and that you're still alive and you're still here, you're striving, getting yourself together, getting your thoughts, some those thoughts, just everything is just good. Or you're hoping everything to be good. And so yeah, just make sure basically that your mental health is good and is in basically 100% tip-top shape. And if you take time off from anything that you're doing within your life, just do that, because trust me, you will know the difference when you do and you come back to doing what you left off at. You'll basically feel a lot better at the end of the day. So that's what I did. So it took me a long time for me to make this video for you guys. Basically just checking in and just telling you, hey, I'm doing good. Alright. Right now I'm on my couch, chilling, relaxing. And I just had to go ahead and make this video because I just didn't feel like trying to get all dolled up, makeup on or whatever, have some good cute clothes on. I just wanted to be a raw cutthroat video letting you know that 2021 we're going to do this and it's going to be it. So please make this year 2021 your year. Basically for me, what I decided to do is how I want to make this year better for me and basically benefit me this year. What am I going to do that I thought about trying to do, that I wanted to do for last year? What am I going to do for this year? How is it going to really truly benefit me? So keep that in mind for this year. How's it going to be better for you? How you going to make it better for you? How's it going to basically benefit you? Things you want to get done, be productive, just all that type of feelings and things. How are you going to get it done? And also, how is it going to make you better and make you feel better at the same time? So keep that in mind for 2021, basically of this year. That's what I decided to do, and I hope you do it with me and hope you succeed. So basically I decided to take this year into my hands of feeling great, awesome, knowing that I can get stuff done, and also making sure that this year is going to benefit me no matter what. And I truly say that, no matter what. And also my thoughts about this year is going to be better than it was of last year. It's going to be truly better, and it's going to benefit me. It's going to make me a better person, and it's going to make me feel better, and it's going to be awesome. Like, I have an awesome, good, wonderful feeling for this year, and I hope you feel the same way too. And if you don't, just get at it. Write some stuff down that's gonna make you not make you understand, but make you feel better for this year. Just do that, okay? And also another thing is just relax, calm down, chill, take a break if you have to, okay? Yeah, like I said, please take a mental break and chill, calm down if you have to, because it's always going to be here. This year's going to be here, and next year is going to be the same thing. So if you have to take a break from everything, social media, life, just whatever in general, do that, and then after that come back to it where you left off, big projects that you want to get done, or friendship that you want to reconnect, or whatever it is. Go back to it. It is okay. Do what you gotta do for yourself, because the only person that can do it is only you, because it is one of you. And that is it, okay? God only made one you, so realize that you only got one life to live. Understand that, because 2021 is your year, and make it your year, and make it yours, okay? Because that's exactly what I'm doing for this year. I love you guys. 2021 is our year. Hope it is yours.